everybody, so I'm with Megan today and we're filming a back to school makeup tutorial, so it's going to be very simple and easy to follow.
So if you're interested in seeing that, keep watching.
So I'm just going to start off with our HD Peach Primer. So I'm just going to pop it on the palette and pop it all over Megan's face.
This is my favourite primer. So I usually apply that like 5 minutes before my foundation just because I don't want it to sheer out. And there is a built-in illuminator on it as well, so it's really fab. It gives a bit of coverage as well. I wear it on my days off work as well, just to balance out from the tan on my neck to my face. What's your favourite primer?
I actually like Peach Primer, but I like to mix the AMC Face and Body Illuminator so I just give it a little bit more glow.
There is different primers as well to suit loads of different skin types. So if you're not even sure on your skin type, do come into Inglot. The girls can ask you a few questions and help you find the primer that suits you.
We're using 16 all covered foundation. So this is it's a medium to full coverage foundation. It's nice and light on the skin, gives them more of a dewy finish. Pop a little bit on the palette. And a little bit of this foundation goes a very long way.
I love this because I have freckles but it covers though. But without feeling like I'm caking myself. Some foundations do make you feel like that, but it is dewy as well, so you do have that kind of fresh glow. And if you are going for if you're going back to school or college, you don't want something that's too heavy on your skin or anything like that throughout the day. So as you can see, Jen's using the same brush she used for primer, for foundation. This is our 38 SS brush. It's like dead handy for absolutely everything. You can use it for concealer, you can use it for contour and highlight, you can use it for absolutely everything. I just always tell people, just have a little bit of brush cleaner handy because then you can just wipe it and use it again and again.
Next off, I'm going to use a 95 under eye concealer.
So Jen is going for like a shade that's a few shades lighter than my foundation, just to brighten up the area, and like so my face isn't like really like 3D looking. No, it's not 3D. It's too flat. I want it to look like, yeah, not just the one kind of colour. There is a plumping agent in our under eye concealers as well, which is really good.
I wouldn't recommend putting it on spots or anything like that.
Fun fact.
Won't take it. Don't stop that. I can find it. I'm going to use the same under eye concealer all over Megan's eyelid as a base.
This acts like as a base for eyeshadows as well. Some people use it to like cut their crease and stuff, just because it is like a medium kind of coverage, so you could like use that for like a base for glitter or anything like that as well.
I'm just using 14 press powder just to set the foundation.
Would you your own skin? No? Really? I always set my face because I get real oily on my T-zone, or I get like what's it called, a Sulu quite a lot, sweaty upper lip alert, Sula. I get that quite a lot.
So now I am using the illuminating face and body mist. This is going to add a little bit of a creaminess to her skin, and also it sets her foundation. That smells unreal.
It does.
So we're using the 73 AMC bronzer. So I'm just going to pop that. So I normally visualize a line starting from the tip of the ear to the corner of the mouth. I'm just going to go in circular motions, just bronze her skin off a little bit. And again, because it's going to be back to school kind of makeup, you want it as natural as possible. So you just want to lightly bronze your skin.
So it's going to give you some warmth so that you just feel like it's not all the one colour again. I can't walk out the house without bronzing. I freak out.
Yeah.
I bronze my skin sometimes when I'm off work. I'm like, I just want to have a bit of a glow. Look like I was on my holidays.
It also gives the face some deep dimension.
Yeah. So you don't have to like contour or anything like that.
A little bit of blusher on, just to give Megan a little bit of colour onto her cheeks. I'm actually using one of our new blushers, and I'm number 12. So this is it's kind of sparkly, isn't it?
Has a shimmer to
Yeah, it
it.
has a nice glow to it.
It's my fave. And I'm gonna tell you why it's my fave. So, do you ever get where it's like hard to blend your bronzer into your highlighter and your blush because it's like two mattes and then one shimmer and sometimes it goes all mucky and all? Well, because there's a shimmer in the blush, it'll give that medium between your bronzer and your highlighter, so it's all blend into one. I just think it's really nice. And a shimmery blush is really in at the moment. I think they're gorgeous because it's nearly like a highlighter, so I love them. And I used to be scared of blush for ages, and now I can't actually do my makeup without it. It just adds a little bit of colour to the skin, and I'm quite rosy underneath, so it's like adding colour back on. But I love blush now.
We have 4 new shades. Like, I love all the shades because they're all really light. They're not too strong or anything like that.
I can, you can use them as well as eyeshadows, so they're definitely handy as well.
So I'm just going to use now the Glow On highlighter in the shade 23. That's that one here. It gives a really nice glow to the skin. We use it on our neck and where else?
Shoulders. I was actually using it in the centre of my legs when I went out at on the weekend, just to give like my legs a bit of shimmer on them. Just because I was wearing a skirt and then I wanted to highlight the top.
And you only need the tiniest bit again.
These are only €9 as well, so bargain. And a little bit of them goes a long way. You can mix these into your foundation, into your primer. I like them, I think you do too, like putting them on after. I just think they give that more of like a wet look highlighter rather than something that's too glittery and shimmery on the face. It's just nearly like glossy.
Yeah, I actually use this as a primer. What I do is I mix it in with our oils. The mini version.
The drop oils, the face drop oils.
Yeah, face drop oils. The mini ones, how much are they?
14.
14. I mix it in with them and I pop it on my skin. It's really nice and comfy.
Yeah, I have tried that.
Yeah, give it a go. Yeah, I'm gonna pop some on the lip as well. Just when we pop the gloss on, it gives a really nice shine to lips. Now I'm going to use my absolute favourite product in store at the moment, so it's the volumizing lip gloss.
I'm not sharing this with you.
I think it's everybody's favourite in Inglot.
Yeah, I love Vesper though. Vesper's
really?
my favourite.
No, my tie is my favourite.
I feel like that's everyone else's favourite.
This is my tie, yeah.
Vesper's mine. It's like see-through with like pink glitter in it. I just think it's gorgeous. So you could leave the look at this, it's just really nice and fresh, but Jen is actually going to show you if you use the bronzer that she used on me as an eyeshadow that I can just kind of add to the look.
Yeah, add a little bit of depth into your eyes. Using the 02 brow shaping mascara. So I'm just going to use a little bit of this and I'm just going to comb it over my brows just to give it a little bit of colour.
This is a bop. You should listen to this on your when you're getting ready for school.
Now, no makeup look.
Stunning, Jen! I have never looked better. I actually love a look like this though, because sometimes having harsh makeup on, it closes your eyes, stuff like that. I actually do think that something natural like this is way more in these days. Like people aren't going for something that's too much. Everyone likes a bit of soft glam. So I think this is absolutely stunning, and obviously it took Jen about like 5 minutes to do, so it's so achievable in the mornings and before college, before school. If you do wear makeup to school, I know I definitely wore a little something because I was a bit insecure about my freckles, but I am embracing them now. So Jen's gonna set me again. It smells so good.
Yeah.
So this is the finished look by Jen. She's absolutely amazing. I've enjoyed working with Jen today. It's nice to have somebody in with me. And so basically this is done in about 5 minutes if you want to do it yourself. You can follow myself and Jen on Instagram to see more looks from ourselves. Mine's MeganDarty22.
Mine's Makeup by Jen.
More makeup looks on our channel if you want to subscribe. And if you did enjoy this video, we'd appreciate it if you give it a little like down below. And we will see you in the next one.